Hello, I'm Abhishek Pathak, and I'm the Partner Engineering Lead for the Business Application Platform Group at Google Asia Pacific. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the experience-focused digital trends of the new normal that are bringing new challenges for the banking and financial services industry, and how the industry is converting those challenges into opportunities with the use of APIs. So come on board and let's get started. Imagine you are the principal of a famous high school and you want to improve the experience of all your stakeholders. You realize that the simplest way to do this would be to offer a mobile application that could connect all your stakeholders and leverage this digital channel to provide better learning experience for students, better student management experience for your teachers, and better interaction experience to the parents of your students. The students could use this mobile platform to be on top of their learning schedule and connect with their fellow classmates and guides over their favorite medium of communication, text messages. The teachers could also take advantage of this platform to better manage the learning progress of their students, organize their lesson plans, and send scheduled personalized homework reminders. The parents could be the happiest of all because this mobile app would not only allow them to interact more easily with the school administration, but they would also be able to pay the school fees and various miscellaneous charges directly through this app. Considering the immense value of this platform that it would bring to all your stakeholders, you, Mr. Principal, decide to onboard an application development company to build this app for you. Everything seems to be going fine. Then one day your development partner comes and informs you that they are facing some problems and challenges in developing the fee payment feature within your application. Turns out that your bank does not offer an API that could be used by the developers to implement this fee collection feature within your application. However, there is this other bank which offers a very compelling payment API, which could be perfect for this use case. You find out that the process of opening an account with this new bank is also very simple. So you go on and open an account with this new bank so that the fee collection feature can be implemented in your app. As the adoption of your mobile application picks up, you see most of the funds coming to you in your new bank account. And therefore, before you even know it, you have started using your new bank for almost all your financial services needs because the experience is just so much better. And your old bank that served you for many decades lost your business. In this story, you can see how the digital transformation of the school directly had an impact on the business of the bank. But the multiplier effect of the digital transformation does not end just here. The development company that you hired to build your mobile application went on to build another application for an engineering college that wanted to offer the capability to apply for an education loan directly from their college application. Just by simply ticking a box while applying online, students could express their interest in an education loan. The development company once again went with the new digital bank because they just love the ease of use, the easy to use, easy to test, and well documented API products that the bank offers through its developer portal. Now the bank can secure loans through this new digital channel with marginal cost of onboarding new customers being next to nothing. As you can see in this example, APIs play the key role in the digital ecosystem where improving customer experience is the main goal of every participant in the ecosystem. In this experience ecosystem, APIs allow the businesses to operate truly as partners and leverage each other's strength, and that way everybody wins. However, executing in this ecosystem comes with its own set of challenges. Specifically for the key infrastructure providers like banks, in this world, the application developers are also the first-class customers. And as you saw in our story, the developer experience is one of the biggest competitive advantage a bank can have in this ecosystem. Banks need to ensure that they can easily onboard new partners and do that at scale. Moreover, The APIs that you develop as a bank should be easy to discover, easy to adopt, and should be easily monetizable. Not to forget that all the APIs that you publish should be secure, scalable, and should always be available. This is why you need a platform that can manage all aspects of your API program and offer a full lifecycle API management capabilities. We here at Google understand the complexity of API business. Apigee, our answer to full lifecycle API management, provides a highly scalable platform that offers out-of-the-box capability for modeling, developing, documenting, testing, and deploying APIs that can be secured through its several out-of-the-box security policies and access control capabilities. These APIs can then be published to highly engaging developer portals with full content and developer community management capabilities. Apigee also offers all the tools that you would need to monetize your APIs, irrespective of your business model. So whether you want your APIs to be prepaid or postpaid, or maybe your business model is based on revenue share, Apigee has you covered. Data-driven decision making is critical for the success of any digital business, and therefore Apigee offers a comprehensive API analytics platform that allows you to build dashboards that give you the insight into both operational as well as business matrices. Apigee has been trusted by many of the leading banking and financial services companies who have gone on to turn the wave of disruption in the industry for their own advantage. The possibilities with APIs are enormous, and we are very excited to partner with you in this journey.